In this video, we will discuss accounting versus inventory report. You can find this report in Accounting 1, Reports, Others section, Accounting versus Inventory menu. In this report, you can compare the sales purchase data entered in the inventory module and the sales purchase data entered in the accounting module based on a specific customer vendor. And you can verify any difference in data between the inventory and the accounting module. For instance, you can find inventory slips that have been reflected on the accounting module with a different amount. Or you can find transactions that have been entered duplicate, that is, entered once in the inventory module and then entered once again in the accounting module. If you look at the search template, firstly, you can set the date range, and in this menu, the date range cannot exceed 1 year. In Accounting Customer Vendor field, Accounting Account field, and Inventory Customer Vendor fields are required fields. In Inventory Type field in the middle, you can select which type of inventory data will be searched. You can select between sales, purchases, and goods receipts. If you select sales, inventory sales will be displayed in comparison with accounting sales data. And if you select purchases or goods receipt, they will be displayed in comparison with accounting purchases data. And you can see amount field at the lower section. You can select whether to compare amounts based on pre-tax amount or based on total amount, including tax. So this time I will select sales type and compare amount based on total amount. In the search results, the data of the accounting module are being displayed on the left side, and that of the inventory module is being displayed on the right side. And the data that are not being displayed in the search results are the ones whose inventory amount and whose accounting amount are the same and that are currently linked to each other. That is, the data you see here are the ones with any gap between inventory and accounting module. And let me give you an example with two cases. So if you look at the first row, the accounting sales amount is $20,000 and the inventory sales amount is $21,750. And if the two data are displayed in the same row, it means that you reflected the inventory sales on the accounting module through invoicing in a normal way. However, even though the two data are linked with each other, because of the difference in amount, they are being displayed in the search results. This case is generated when you modify amount when invoicing inventory sales to the accounting module. And we will look at the second case. Here you can see one row where data is being displayed only in the inventory module, and another row where data is being displayed only in the accounting module. If you entered the same transaction twice, one time in the inventory module and one time in the accounting module respectively, then you will see results like this. If you separately enter data while using the inventory and accounting module without invoicing, you might have duplicate data as the data you see in this screen. And you can link data between the two modules and remove the gap between the two modules. You can click on the slip number in the accounting section and in link field at the top, click function button and click link with uninvoiced inventory slips button. Then in the pop-up window, firstly verify the date range, since if the date of the slip that you will link is not included in the date range, the slip may not be displayed in the pop-up. So click Search in the upper right corner and select the desired date range and click Search button. Then the overlapping inventory data will be displayed. So select the data and click Link with Accounting Vouchers button. Then the two separate data will be linked as if they have been linked by invoicing. Then if you search in the report again, only the row with different amounts will be displayed. And since you've linked data just before, the linked inventory and accounting data will not be displayed in the search results. So in this way, please use Accounting versus Inventory report and verify any data entered separately in the two modules, or any data invoiced from the inventory module to the accounting module with a different amount.